So my name is Kofi, Edgerman. I'm part of the SSO Mentors. So I've got 15 rent-to-rent deals, cash flowing anywhere between 15 to 20K. So rent-to-rent has been so impactful on my life. I'm in the business full time. And whilst it comes with its many challenges, I've grown in character because there's opportunities within rent-to-rent or challenges within rent-to-rent that have really made me grow as an individual, right? The first securing the property was probably the scariest thing, because I was like, oh my gosh, I have to guarantee this landlord X amount of money, and what if I cannot fill it, right? I was anxious, I was scared, despite the knowledge I had, but it then meant I had to grow in character. So one of the biggest takeaways is the growth I've had from rent to rent and the life it's allowing me to live, and also the foundation that it's building, because my goal was bigger than rent to rent. It was just a foundation, and because of what I've learned and where I've grown, I feel there's many obstacles and goals that I want to achieve that I feel I can now because of some of the challenges that I've been able to overcome in my rent-to-rent business. So I currently stood, in the city of London outside of Gherkin, and for me it's very nostalgic because I worked here 10 years ago. I started in the city working in software tech sales, and I always had a desire to work for myself and to build something. But here is where the foundation started. I worked in sales, and sales is an incredible skill. It really taught me a lot, and I use it in my rent-to-rent business today. So I'm grateful for what I learned, but also I'm so glad to be able to have this opportunity to be able to do rent-to-rent and achieve some of the goals that I set for myself in life. If you're thinking about getting started in rent-to-rent and you have doubts or you don't know how to start, what I would say is find the who, not the how. It's often, right, when we're trying to achieve anything, we often think, how can I do this? How can I do this? But you need to find the who. There's always someone doing what you want to do, and you just need to get within proximity of that person. For me, that who was Simon Smith, right? I was able to get in proximity, and he showed me the blueprint of how to start, scale, and systemize a rent-to-rent business. So if you're thinking about it, just take action, find that who, and get in proximity with them, and you'll be able to launch a rent-to-rent business. When I speak to a lot of people who've entered into mentorship or support, they're often given the resources, but not really the support. I think with SSO, you get the support and you get a blueprint to show you how to get to your desired goal. The key thing is the support, and wherever you are on your journey, whether it's limited beliefs, then we're able to support students achieve their overall goals. Yeah, so I've currently got about 15 mentees, and I've had a few before, and many of them have gone on to secure their first deals. Some have secured more, and the focus is on getting the first deal and then cash flowing that deal monthly. And then most of them come to me with a desired goal in terms of cash flow and amount of deals they're looking to get to. And after we've got the first one, that's when the real work starts. That's when the real support is needed. And it's about coaching them through the process of going from getting a property, and now you have to guarantee the rent to the landlord, and then you have to market it, getting people inside, and being able to really create a really sustainable business. So there's steps to take, and we really take them through that whole journey.